Most road safety barriers are designed with one simple goal: to stop vehicles from leaving the roadway. But stopping a vehicle is not the same as protecting its occupants. Today, we're looking at a different approach to road safety: roller barriers, and how they change the way crash energy is managed. Traditional steel guardrails and concrete barriers are strong and effective at containment. However, in high-speed crashes, they transfer a large amount of impact force back to the vehicle. This sudden deceleration can lead to severe injuries, vehicle rotation, rollovers, or secondary collisions. In median areas or on curves, these effects become even more dangerous, increasing the risk of cross-median crashes and multi-vehicle accidents. As traffic volumes and the speeds increased, road safety engineers began to rethink the role of barriers. The question was no longer just how to stop vehicles, but how to manage crash energy more intelligently. This shift in thinking led to the development of energy-absorbing barrier systems, including roller barriers. Roller barriers replace rigid steel elements with a series of rotating cylinders, usually made from high-density polymer materials. When a vehicle impacts the barrier, these rollers begin to rotate. Part of the crash energy is converted into rotational motion, rather than being fully transferred back to the vehicle. This reduces peak impact forces and helps guide the vehicle along the barrier instead of abruptly stopping it. The system also limits vehicle climbing and rotation, which are major contributors to severe injuries and rollovers. In real-world applications, roller barriers have shown several safety advantages. They help keep vehicles within the roadway, reduce rebound into traffic, and lower the risk of cross-median crashes. On curves, ramps, and high-risk sections, this controlled redirection can significantly reduce crash severity and improve survival outcomes. Unlike traditional barriers that focus primarily on strength and rigidity, roller barriers prioritize energy management. This approach aligns with modern road safety principles, where the goal is not to eliminate crashes entirely, but to reduce their consequences. Roller barriers represent a shift in how we think about road safety infrastructure. By managing crash energy instead of simply resisting it, these systems help transform severe crashes into survivable events. In modern road design, smarter engineering often saves more lives than a stronger material.